Hi, I'm Gareth Evans from Vitamix, and I'm here to show you this Amazon exclusive item, the Vitamix A3500 with 48-ounce container, brushed stainless steel finish, tamper and tamper holder. Now the 48-ounce container is fantastic for doing both low and high volume blends. We have this infinity dial that gives you ultimate control over your blends, and we have self-detect technology. So we're going to start by putting into our container some natural yogurt. Now here we're going to use frozen chunks of mango. In they go. Now instead of searching around your drawers for your tamper, it's right here. So we're going to use one of our pre-programmed settings. We have smoothie, frozen dessert, hot soup, dips and spreads, and a cleaning cycle. I'm going to hit the frozen dessert. So the A3500 has switched itself off, which means we now have our frozen dessert. No bits, completely smooth the whole way through. 48-ounce container, brushed stainless steel finish, tamper holder, only on Amazon.
When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
Ninja Max XL Air Fryer. Up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Delivers 450 degrees of superheated air to cook foods up to 30% faster. Versus Ninja AF 100 for hotter, crispier results with little to no oil. The 5.5 quart ceramic coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 3 pounds of fries or chicken wings. Includes 7 versatile cooking programs: Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. The ceramic basket is both non-stick and dishwasher safe.